Hello everyone. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about the drag and drop Canva frame for the small size travel bag from artsair.com. Let me show you real quick what it is. I have this available for you. I will place the link in the description below. When you purchase this, you will get this file here. You will get this Canva frame. You will get two and also two normal pages if you want to design normal. This is just the template of the front side, like the template of the front side of the bag, like this one. Okay, and this is the template for the other side, the smaller side for here. So when you place your image in here, you can save it as a PNG and then upload it on the website on artsair.com for the small site. Okay, but I also have a Canva frame for a quick mock-up. Okay, let me show you really quick how it works. When you go to position, you see the three parts right here. Here is the front part. Here's the shadow. We'll see the shadow later. And here is the body and the handle. Okay, let's go in here, uploads. Let's say I want to add one of these lion's faces. I will select this, okay, and then I'll bring it over here and it comes over it. You can double click and arrange it. Oh, come on, double click. It depends on how you want to make how you want to do your bag. Okay, but this is just a quick mock-up. And also for the side, let's say you will put this on the side and get it in there. Don't forget this part, the handle part of the bag. Okay, this consists of two parts. Okay, for instance, if you put your image and it doesn't want to fall into it, go to position and always bring the Canva frame on top. The Canva frame part should be on top of the other one. Just drag here, you see, and change it. Okay, and then I'll go here and I'll choose another image. Let's say I choose this one. Okay, and then I'll put it like here. This is just a quick mock-up to design your bag. Maybe you want to show it to someone and everything. But always, when you want to design the bag itself in ArtsEd, you need to use these right here. This is for the front side, and this is for the two corners. Okay, like I said, this is just a quick mock-up. When you order the bundle, you will get all this. You will get all this and this too. You can order it from my website. This is very handy. Just place it in there and drag and drop it and upload it and save it and upload it. You can also design in here if you're going to put your images one by one. But you can also design in the software. If you want to see all of that, I'll leave the link in the description about the video on how to design the bag. I will also upload a video about the diaper bag and also other products that I know how to design in there. And you can go in and design yours and see which one you will order and to see how the quality is. But for the diaper bag and the travel bag, I love them. I have ordered them myself. Okay, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know in the comment section below. I did this for you guys because I know about this. I know about it. I've been a reseller since 2018. I've been designing things in there since 2018 and I have ordered my stuff like almost 2 years ago. I know about this. So I want to teach you guys so that you guys can take advantage of it. Just like everybody else. Take advantage of it. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified every time I upload these amazing videos. Thank you.